Chinese smartphone brands are turning the last few months of this year into a tech battleground, and the next wave of flagships is coming fast. September will belong to Xiaomi, with the launch of the Xiaomi 16 series, likely the only major flagship hitting shelves this month in China. But October is going to be stacked. Realme has confirmed its GT8 series is dropping next month. We're talking about the GT8 and GT8 Pro, both powered by the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. And then there's iQOO. While the brand is staying quiet on dates, reliable tipster Smart Pikachu claims the iQOO 15 will also debut in October. The Ultra Edition, however, will have to wait until next year. The iQOO 15 won't be holding back. Expect a Samsung AMOLED display with crisp 2K resolution, a 6.85-inch LTPO panel with an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, triple 50-megapixel rear cameras including a 3x periscope telephoto, a massive 7,000 mAh battery, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, paired with iQOO's own gaming chip. As for the iQOO 15 Ultra coming next year, it would be a gaming beast with built-in cooling fan, physical trigger buttons and wireless charging. So buckle up, the final quarter of the year is about to deliver some of the most powerful Android flagships we've ever seen. Which one are you most hyped for? Xiaomi 16, Realme GT8 Pro, or iQOO 15? Let me know in the comments.